Linda, and I'm going to be teaching I'm on a Boat, choreographed by myself, Linda Scott. 48 count, 4-wall dance, 1 restart after wall 3, beginner level. The song is I Was on a Boat That Day by Old Dominion. So you're gonna step right, kick left, step left, kick right, go side together, side step. Okay, let's do it with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot. Side, kick, side, kick, side, together, side, touch. With counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, touch. Side, behind, quarter, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff. With counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock forward on your right, recover on your left, rock back on your right, recover, and forward, touch, back, touch. With the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to step out, behind, step a quarter, heel together, with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On each foot. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the dance, you start over. There is one simple restart. Wall 3, you'll do 16, your step kicks, side together sides, and then you'll repeat. You'll start over. You'll be facing the 6 o'clock wall, and that's about it. I'll dance the whole dance through, talking my way through, and then I'll do it with counts. Ready? Begin. Step, kick, side together, side touch, step, kick, side together, side touch, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, rock, forward, rock, back, step, touch, side, behind, quarter, heel together, boogie, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? One more time with counts. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.